See, pine trees aren't like palm trees, just snap.
Yeah.
Oh, you ain't seen nothing yet. I don't know what the fuck you ain't seen shit.
Yeah, I'm just.
See, if we get up here. I remember when Ivan came through here. This bridge, the one going over to Panama City, from the road. Hey man, what's happening?
Doing?
Driving towards Marietta, and I got to go to Tallahassee. Where are you? Are you there? Hello, you got hello. Pull your pants back up. You heard that part?
Yeah. You want me to pull my pants up or talk on the phone, dude? Fuck.
Wipe your ass after you talk on the phone.
Oh, wait. No, you're supposed to do that before. Wait a minute. Hang on.
You want shit all over your phone?
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So what's
so anyway,
you got some shit for me ready to sign up, right?
Yeah. Well, I got some. I did some good recon. I mean, I ain't fucking got any decision makers, but what the fuck? No decision makers, but I got some players identified.
Yeah, I've got some good things could be happening tomorrow, so I'll let you know. I'm headed to Marietta to look at a place that used to be a client of mine, and then I'm going to head over to Tallahassee. I've got a hotel, and it's probably nothing. It's a fucking Indian that's got leaks now that I'm sure I'll know in about 5 minutes whether they're new or not. If they're new, I'm glad to hear you. They're old.
I said I'm doing it quickly this one. I said I went through Tallahassee looking for damage and I didn't see shit.
Really?
Yeah.
Like even on the west side?
Yeah, on the west side. I didn't see anything until we got to starts with like Montgomery or something like that. And
well, we've got this thing's off I-10 and somewhere over there. He said he's got links and shit. I'll look at it and see. But if nothing else, I'll get some referrals out of the motherfucker. Tell him what to do. But I'm on I-10 now. It's moving pretty good. It says I'm like 40 miles from Marietta.
Well, I'm stuck with no cell and no gas. I made my way all the way from down Front Beach Street, they call it.
Front Beach Road.
Yeah, I went all the way down there.
She said Dunston or something was the next exit that might have gas. I mean, I got 3/4 of the tank.
I'd say fill it shit up, because I mean, really,
I will, and I'll just have to buckle that other one down.
Did you see the movie American Made with Tom Cruise, where he was running that shit to Arkansas for the?
Who else was in it?
It was. I think he was like the main guy, but it was about the guns and the drug running.
Yeah, I did see that. That's pretty good.
Well, I mean, the thing is, we got it when we're flying into this shit now. You get so far into it, you got to have gas to get back, just like the airplane deal that they were doing. They were outrunning the DEA because they had longer. Yeah. They could go further with their tank.
That was pretty good.
Yes, sir. Not bad.
Not the greatest actor, but
no,
he gets all the good roles. Look at this shit.
Yeah, good roles. You don't even have to act.
That looks like when they go through our plant, they can cut it and thin it out. That's exactly what it looks like. That's from a hurricane.
Yeah, when we were in North Carolina, they were flying around with those.
I didn't cross the causeway because that's the disaster area where everybody's at. So
well, listen, dude, I stopped at on my way in. I bought two 5-gallon gas cans. I've got a 5-gallon gas can in my back, but I'm way the fuck up here.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna get me some gas in my truck. So, I mean, they're already got gas here. They just got gas lines like a son of a bitch.
All you gotta do is drive 15 miles up to I-10 and go either direction. You'll get gas. You don't have to wait in the fucking line. I was talking.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Yeah, just head
straight. I was gonna go back towards Destin or something and just get gas and not fucking worry about it.
Well, it's 51 miles to Destin, so make sure you got enough gas to get there.
Yeah, I do that, but I mean, getting on I-10 though, I mean, there's got to be gas stations up and down I-10.
That was at 331. I've got Randy with you. I don't think you've met him yet. He's our new guy in Dallas. He's a homosexual, but he's a good guy. guy.
Oh man.
He's your kind of guy, Tony. Y'all can go out.
All right.
Y'all can work something out.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah. Randy.
Nice to meet you, Tony.
This is Tony Allen. Tony Mayonnaise. I mean, Tony.
Oh, hey, Randy. I got this PA friend of mine that I'd like to introduce you to. You might enjoy meeting.
What's her name? Oh, him. It's a him. Okay. All right.
Oh, what's her name?
I'll tell you what.
Chris Rich. Chris Rich. He's fabulous. Fabulous.
Yeah, I'm familiar with Chris.
Yeah, he got to meet.
Oh, you already met him?
Yeah.
They went to Publix together. Guess how much money Chris contributed to
It was $100 grocery deal. I made it big spaghetti.
Yeah.
All right.
Chris didn't contribute any of the money, but he ate the spaghetti, so he's up here making money on per diem. You know how he is.
Chris doesn't eat spaghetti.
He told me he didn't. He told me he didn't normally eat dinner.
Right. No, what he means is he doesn't normally. Yeah, Tony knows Chris firsthand. He's a fucking. Don't ever offer to pay for his fucking meal. So, but anyway, I'm just out today. We can't really solicit today, so I'm just kind of driving around and shit and trying to see what we can find.
I just identified who some of these players are. The By the Sea group. They got a bunch of stuff down here off the front road.
Who is it?
Front beach. By the Sea.
Well, By the Sea. They're what are they? Management company?
Yeah. It's a group. Driving through on I-10. I got it from Jacksonville. I did not see any downed trees and shit until after Tallahassee.
Well,
and it wasn't far.
You got to get down in there, down inland, I think, to see anything. Well, I'm hoping. I mean, I hope this guy's got some good damage, or he has none at all. I'm going to tell him, look, I can't help him. Here's what you need to do. Report your claim. If you have a problem, call me. If it's like one little corner peeled back or something. But most of these guys, they know they can take this opportunity to fucking, get their get some patches
slot machine time.
Paid for, yeah.
Lottery.
Machine. Yeah, lottery machine.
Yeah. Got it.
Anyway, we'll touch base. Like I said, I can't solicit today, but I can go out and talk to clients. And I'm 30 miles from Marianna. I hadn't seen shit down, but it kind of took more of a 45 the other way angle. So I'd expect to see a lot here. But
all right.
You see some jewel out there, you're driving around like a big commercial building or a hospital or a manufacturing plant or something. Let me know. Just give me the name. I can pull up the info on it.
All right.
I can't tell if these trees right here are down from the amount of.
There we go, man. We got the lines at the gas pump, and we're doing good.
On this shit?
We're fucking doing good.
Selling the realtor.
Yeah.
Go out and do a marketing plan and go, well,
Yeah.
you can't do what we do. You can give me some damn leads and we can certainly pay you.
Yeah, I told him it's all based on, we know business, and that's where we come in. It's a great place to get in this business, but you wouldn't want to just jump out and start, first you got to go with who you know.
Go to jail in this fucking state. If you're out trying to be a public justice with that license, you'll go to jail.
Yeah.
I've seen them do it.
Right. But makes sense to me.
I got 5 gallons, but I don't have to use it. Just go to the gas station. Food left. Shell. Other things left. Tanker truck right there going to fill them up. So we can cut right through the Panama City Beach on the 79 right here.
Uh-huh.
That's where you see all the trees and shit down. This is where it started. Look at all that over there.
Okay. Yeah.
Come on, fuck nuts, and see how this works. You go.
Oh, yeah.
You look, then you go. I about fucking threw my guts up, man.
Yeah.
But she also smoked Prince Albert's. I take my friends over there and go, man, let me have something. Is your grandma sweet smoke weed? And I said, hell no. Why? Look at all them roaches in the fucking ashtray. I said, that's fucking Prince Albert, bro.
She was hand rolling them?
Oh, like a motherfucker. Something like it came out of a pack. Hey. Let's see. We're trying to find gas. We're 20 miles west of Marianna, Florida. We're trying to find gas. So far, we struck out twice. But we do have a 5-gallon gas can, and Randy's full of hot air, so we can get there if we need to.
Yeah, if we had to, I can blow us.
Well, they said, I forgot the name of the exit. There's supposed to be gas up here somewhere.
Right. And
120.
yes, see, we get
Shit in their house.
I can see. There's some more of our Florida Highway Patrol urban assault vehicle.
Chattahoochee.
Way down yonder on
There it is. There's the Chattahoochee.
See them?
He's from fucking
Into me.
Alabama.
Learn about living and learn about love.
See that gas?
Golly. Good golly, Miss Smiley. Sure like the bone. Still rocking and a rolling. Oh my God. Lord. Ah.
Stuff me off the line, so the lights down. Face.
Yeah. Ah.
Then they put them in the other sections.
Oh.
Turn around down here. Oh, look at this shit. They drive
Yeah.
fucking like a safari or something. Crazy.
Yeah, buddy.
Mile marker
Why I'm dressed like a lumberjack.
Mile marker 166.
I'm a lumberjack and I'm okay. And I sleep all day. Yo.
Yeah, now you got 8 little trees down.
All right, here's a marker. Tallahassee 35. And we've still got Significante Daño.
Probably got about 30 miles.
All right, so we got that damage at 20 miles from Tallahassee. It's about Cat 1 or 2. There wasn't much missing off those roofs.
Yeah, remember this stuff. Those vans, they did get some bunch of tornadoes and stuff. All right. Well, hopefully, if we can get a second meeting with his partner, we can get it done.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep.
I'm
And
concerned.
he said, the last thing he said to me, he said the fact that Hotel XP's already engaged you guys in a property up north, it goes a long way.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well,
All right, my friend, I'll see you over there in a minute.
all right, buddy. Thanks.
Shit. Mother
I'd like that to be your house.
son of. Oh, God. This is Panama City? They were saying on the national news, "Oh, we dodged a bullet." It doesn't look like they
No,
dodged.
Panama City Beach. They're two different towns.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, Panama.
This ain't even the shit yet. Just wait. We ain't in it yet.
God dang. Oh
Lucky
my
motherfucker, right?
God! Look at that. Look.
Well, there goes our shaded backyard.
Yeah.
In half a mile, the destination is on your right. Comfort and Suites.
Are you looking for a pool to put in that new spot of sunlight in your backyard?
That you no longer have shade.
Yeah. Yeah, I like it. There wasn't much water because then we won't be getting eaten by bugs.
Oh,
Yeah.
This goes on and on. Look at this. I mean, it's just over here. It's just fog. Fuck.
Oh, yeah.
So what we're going to do when we get this big targets out of the way is just going to start giving those brochures with the little binders in them and just pass them out. Just put your card in there
Yeah.
and just use them as marketing material.
Yeah. I've got some trifolds, the little trifolds too, but
But the commercial ones give them those binders. They're Janssen related.
yeah, yeah.
Left onto East 15th Street.
I got a bunch of stuff. And we'll get the girls to send us a box. Time to empty out the cabinet.
Your face, and I break my bones just to hear your pain. And they
Mother.
Oh,
Careful, there's some water.
yeah, what?
I meant to do that. It's testing the concrete.
How do you get in all these? Is the key? Just the key override?
God.
Did it make you nervous? Just jump in one round. Are the alternates the same? Just too bad some have keys, some have no.
So this side is mainly double. The other.
Diamond rings, all sorts of shiny things. But girl, you'll remember what your knees are for. Dear mom and dad, please send money. I'm so broke that it ain't funny. Well, I don't need much, just enough to get me through. Please don't worry, 'cause I'm alright. See, I'm playing here at the bar tonight. Well, this time I'm gonna make our dreams come true. Well, I love you more than anything in the world. Love your baby girl.
Okay, day 3. We got around to some hotels. David and I did. He's meeting with the owners of several of them, and Panama City. And I saw the ones in Marion yesterday. Made the rounds with them, and David sent me to an hour ago. He said that to get back up to Marion from Panama City, I think it's about 40 to 50 miles, but it's taken me an hour to go 4 or 5 miles. And there's something going on up ahead with traffic. It's probably, by the time I get to I-10, probably going to take a left and go back to Destin, because there won't be time to get up there before dark to Mariana, Florida. Mariana, Florida has the I went from here to there, and it did it. It was just as powerful after 50 miles as it was when it was here. This hurricane is really like a F-50 tornado. Period. That's the damage we're seeing, and it is massive. Like, David's been to 30 or 40 storms, 30 or 40 hurricanes, and it tops anything he's ever seen. And this is my 6th hurricane, and this is, I don't know how many billions of dollars, but they're usually 5 to 10 billion. This puppy here might be 100. It came up so fast that people were not able to even think about evacuating, and the death toll, that may never be known, but it's going to be weeks before they find everybody. There's so much debris, so much total devastation. Anyway, in traffic, checking in with Texas Adjuster Journal, day 3 from Panama City, and we had